Hi, my name's David Carman. I'm a founder and COO of FinTech here in Chicago. We focus on everything FinTech. And I just got done participating in another one of Social Jack's LinkedIn seminars on business influence. And as always, it was a wonderful seminar. There's a lot of so-called what I call pseudo social media experts here in Chicago and elsewhere. But Dean Delisle and his staff are the real deal, and learned a lot. And now I have a lot of homework to do. So when I first met Dean, I knew a little about LinkedIn at the time, and now I have about 14,000 people on my company LinkedIn site. And then on my personal LinkedIn, I have about 5,000. So total close to 20,000 people. And now I have 5, 10, sometimes as many as 20 people reach out to me every day and want to link in with me and my company, and I don't have to do a thing. But according to Dean, I need to do 20 minutes of homework per day. So I'll do my best not to let him down. So thanks again to Dean and his staff for another terrific event.